prevent moisture from getting into electrical enclosures and boxes installed in damp basements, there are several strategies you can employ. Firstly, use waterproof enclosures. Install enclosures specifically designed for damp environments, such as those with I66 or NEMA 4X ratings. These enclosures are weatherproof and provide a barrier against moisture penetration. Secondly, raise enclosure height. Position enclosures at least 6 inches above the floor to reduce exposure to ground moisture and flooding. Thirdly, provide drainage. Install enclosures with drain holes or weep holes to allow accumulated moisture to escape. Fourthly, use moisture-resistant conduit. Connect enclosures with moisture-resistant conduit, such as liquid-type flexible conduit or polyvinyl chloride, or PVC conduit with O-ring seals. Fifthly, seal entry points. Use sealants or gaskets to seal all entry points, such as knockouts and conduit holes. This prevents moisture from entering the enclosure through small openings. Sixthly, utilize moisture absorbers. Place desiccant wax or silica gel packets inside the enclosure to absorb moisture and prevent condensation. Seventhly, inspect regularly. Inspect enclosures regularly for any signs of moisture intrusion. Check for condensation, rust, or other indications of dampness. Eighthly, consider ventilation. Provide ventilation to the basement area to reduce moisture levels. This can be achieved through the use of fans or dehumidifiers. Ninthly, use ground fault circuit interrupters or GFCIs protection. Install GFCIs on circuits serving outlets or fixtures in the damp basement. GFCIs detect imbalances in current flow caused by moisture and trip the circuit to prevent electrical shocks. It is also important to avoid installing enclosures near sources of moisture, such as water pipes or drains. Ensure enclosures are adequately sized to allow for proper ventilation and heat dissipation. Use corrosion-resistant materials for enclosures and fittings. These steps, when implemented, can significantly reduce the risk of moisture-related issues in electrical enclosures in damp basements.